When solving a system by substitution, you want to have one variable all by itself on one side of the equal sign in that system. It doesn't have to be both, just one. So since y equals 5x minus 25, what that means is we could take 5x 25 and substitute it in for y down in that other equation and end up solving. So we'd get 5x minus 25, he just went in for y there, equals negative 8x plus 27. Now we're in business because we have just one variable in this equation, so we could end up solving for x, and I'll add 25 over, and 13x equals 52, divide by 13, and x equals 4. There's half my ordered pair right there. I need to now substitute that back in, and it's very easy in substitution because you can just put it back into this box right here, and we'll figure out that y equals 20 minus 25, and then y should be negative 5. So our ordered pair is at 4, 5. Solving a system by substitution. There was one solution. Here we'll solve this system by substitution because we have a variable all by himself. So we'll take this and substitute it in for x because that's the variable that was by himself. Notice there's a negative outside of those parentheses, so it's all good. Whatever was in that box right there has to go in for x, in for parentheses. And I'll distribute that negative through, so that's negative y plus 1 plus y equals negative 1, so just distribution. And combining like terms here, my negative y and my positive y add up to be nothing. So I'm left with 1 equals negative 1. All the variables have disappeared, so one solution is out. It's got to either be no solutions or infinite solutions. And because this is not a true statement, 1 does not equal 1, this guy has no solutions to him. These would be parallel lines. And solving this guy by substitution, because we got a variable all by himself on one side of the equal sign, I can substitute this guy in for y down here. So I'll have negative 6x minus 2 times all that junk up there goes in for y. It's negative 3x plus 4. That went in for x, and that still equals negative 8. So I took this and put it in for y in this bottom equation. I will distribute. Negative times negative is a positive, and negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. And you'll see that combining like terms, because they're on the same side, those add up to be nothing. And I'm left with negative 8 equals negative 8, so it's either no solutions or infinite solutions. Since this is a true statement that negative 8 equals negative 8, this is infinite solutions. But remember, we need that fancy answer. So in the form, and we let x equal x, and we'll go back up and see what y equals, and boy, that's nice. They told me what y equals. Y equals negative 3x plus 4. So any ordered pair on this line would be a solution to this system because these two lines are right on top of each other.